someone's asking about how to do takeoffs on a grade job, you know, without having a digitizer or some kind of application to do that. Hey guys, Jeff Spencer here with ProfitDig. We had a question the other day. Someone was asking about how to do takeoffs on a grade job, you know, without having a digitizer or some kind of application to do that. Well, it's kind of an old school way I was taught how to do it by my dad's partner. When I started doing takeoffs, just go to Office Depot, some kind of office store, get it online, just regular old 8.5 by 11 transparency sheets like you used to have in school, your teachers used. You need to make one for each scale on your scales. We're going to work with a 20 scale today. So take your scale and a permanent marker, get a fine point Sharpie, that works the best. Get on the edge of your paper as your starting point. We're going to make a 50-foot grid. So we're going to go every 50 feet and make a dot. That's the top of our page, and we'll go to the bottom of the page. We'll do the same thing. Then we're going to turn, we're going to do the sides. Always start from the top of your page, whichever way you're going to make top. Bear with me, I'm about half line. You go to the other side, do the same thing. Once you get done, we'll start connecting the dots. And don't slide your scale at first because the ink's still a little wet and it'll smear. Now we've got this one made. We're going to write 20 up here in the corner, so we know it's a 20 scale. These areas right here, you're not going to use them because they're not to scale. Take a pair of scissors and cut them, trim them. We've got one here we've already got pre-trimmed. So this is your 50-foot grid on a 20 scale. Start at the top left-hand corner, just like you would write left to right. Find your area of disturbance, what your limit's going to be on the drawings as far as what your excavation is going to be. And get this set. Draw you a corner mark on each corner with a pencil. And then get you some masking tape and just barely catch an edge, top edge, side, wherever, something that'll peel off without tearing your drawings. Tape it down where it won't move. Do your takeoff. This may be a cut area. I always have me a paper here, a tablet beside of me. I write cut for one column, and I write fill for the other. So I go through here and look at this, and you'll say this right here averages like 2.5 feet of cut. So I come here and write 2.5 feet of cut, 50 by 50. This one right here just says it's going to average 1.5 feet of fill. So I write down 1.5 foot, 50 by 50. Do that for all 6 lines. Untape it, move it over here, line your corners up, draw you 2 more corners, tape it back down, start over, record all your cuts and fills, and then once you've done the whole drawing, you can go back and figure up. And most importantly, you know, once you have your area, don't forget your topsoil. You got to strip your topsoil, and then you also need to take off the area that you got to replace topsoil. And but that's just kind of old school way of doing it. It takes a little longer than what a digitizer does, but you get the same results. And matter of fact, you're usually going to be a little more accurate than what you are with a digitizer. So we appreciate y'all's questions. If y'all have anything else or anything you'd like to see, if we can do it, just comment and let us know what you're interested in and what you want to see us do, and we'll do our best to explain it the best we can. Thank you guys. ProfitDig.com, like, share. We're on all of the social media sites. Watch our videos, and most of all, please comment. Thank you much.